Welcome to our comparison of two popular ice makers, the Silonn ice maker and the COWSAR ice maker. Both machines promise quick ice production, but they come with different features and price points. In this video, we'll explore their specifications, user reviews, and help you decide which one is the best fit for your needs. Let's start by comparing the prices of these two ice makers. The Silonn ice maker is priced at $109. While the COWSAR ice maker comes in at a more budget-friendly $89. If you're looking for a more economical option, the COWSAR might be the better choice. Next, let's talk about noise levels. The Silonn ice maker operates at a quiet less than 35 decibels, making it ideal for home use without disturbing your peace. On the other hand, the COWSAR ice maker has a noise level of less than 42 decibels, which is slightly louder. If noise is a concern for you, the Silonn is the clear winner here. Finally, let's compare their ice production capabilities. Both machines can produce 9 ice cubes in just 6 minutes, but the COWSAR ice maker has a slight edge with a capacity of 26.5 pounds of ice in 24 hours compared to the Silonn's 26 pounds. This means the COWSAR can produce just a bit more ice over time, which might be beneficial for larger gatherings. In conclusion, both the Silonn and COWSAR ice makers have their strengths. The Silonn is quieter and offers more features, while the COWSAR is more affordable and slightly more efficient in ice production. Depending on your needs and budget, you can choose the one that fits you best. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.